Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Kimball and I am the co-president of SkillsUSA Vermont. I am a junior at the St. Johnsbury Academy and I am in my second year of the commercial baking program.
Hello everyone, my name is Emma Dana and I am your other co-president for SkillsUSA Vermont this year. I am a junior at Springfield High School and a second year student in the Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering program at River Valley Tech Center.
We would like to take a few minutes and to let our new members of the leadership team introduce themselves.
I am Riyam El-Janabi and I'm the newly elected treasurer for SkillsUSA Vermont. I am a senior at Essex High School and a second year at the Engineering and Architectural Design program.
And my name is Bodwe Kashindi, a senior at Burlington High School and a second year at Center for Technology Essex in Engineering and Architecture Design program. I'm the new secretary for the SkillsUSA Vermont leadership team.
As we dive into a short presentation, I would like to recognize this year's theme, United as One. In times like this, while we may not be able to be physically present with each other, the feeling of being there is still present in a virtual setting. We are here today to introduce ourselves and talk about what SkillsUSA is, the spring conference in early April, and membership.
SkillsUSA is a United States career and technical education student organization serving middle school, high school, and college students enrolled in training programs in trade, technical, and skilled service occupations, including health. This organization is split into 3 different levels: national, state, and local.
The national organization of SkillsUSA is located in Virginia. Their goal is to host national conferences, offer leadership opportunities and training, organize competitions for students, recognition from trade professionals and industries. It creates a vision for SkillsUSA programs at the local, state, and national levels to ensure quality student-led experiences that build skills in all members.
The state organization of SkillsUSA is the middle-level organization, being the second from the national organization. The state organization reports to the national office, while each local organization reports to the state level. For each level, there's a leadership team, and for the state level, there's a team that's organized conferences and get us on the road for the national conference, which this year will be located in Atlanta, Georgia in mid-June. The state organization is responsible for the state level fall and spring conferences and competitions, and as well as assisting local chapters with fundraising, and it's also prepared for the national conferences. It also communicates with all the local chapters as well as organizing statewide community service reports.
The local organization of SkillsUSA is the school-specific level. These are the schools and the tech centers where all of our SkillsUSA members, students, advisors, and administrators are based. Here in Vermont, we have 17 career and technical centers located around the state. The local organization is responsible for communicating with the state level of SkillsUSA, running local community service projects, fundraising, and preparing their students for competitions at a state and national level.
To further the sense of unity as a state, we have asked each of Vermont's local chapters to contribute to what we are calling our community tree. We have mailed instructions and paper leaves to your school and asked your instructors to hand out leaves. Please write a positive message to spread kindness, love, inspiration, or gratitude on the leaf provided. Feel free to decorate these leaves. These leaves will be turned into a unity tree that is displayed at our spring conference in April.
This spring conference, we will have 70 leadership and skill events. You have to be a SkillsUSA member to be able to participate in any of the leadership or skill events. There are 13 leadership events. Leadership events are more employability skills based, so you do not have to be a member of a CTE program. And there are 43 competitions that do require you to be in a CTE program to be able to participate. And of course, extra precautions will be taken due to COVID. We will also have a keynote and award ceremony for the top 3 winners from each program. If you don't want to participate in any of the leadership or skill events, you can participate in the Courtesy Corps, which is a group of student volunteers that help with various things throughout the competitions and leadership events. This will be recognized as a community service hours for you.
If you have any questions regarding SkillsUSA, community participation through SkillsUSA, or about upcoming conferences and competitions, you can contact any one of us at any time. I want to give a big thank you for your participation in listening to our presentation. If you are interested in becoming a member of SkillsUSA, please speak to your chapter's SkillsUSA advisor. They will help you get registered. The deadline for becoming a member is March 1st. We hope to see you at the spring conference.